Right, just bought the new Floyd Rose original FRT 100. Okay, I'm going to install onto my Jackson made in Japan DK2 Pro. Okay. So let's unbox this Jackson. This Floyd Rose original. Okay, this is the one. We have the original tremolo arm. Right, original. And we have this is the original Floyd Rose FRT1 made in Germany. Okay, you can see. And there's the stand made in Germany. And there's a plus. Okay, number 37 Floyd Rose. And you can see the made in Germany. Okay, so this is the original Floyd Rose made in Germany. Right, and let's see what's inside the box. There we have here. Here's the tools, the spring claw, the metal claw, everything, and the tools, and also for the string retainer. Right, we're going to fix onto my Jackson. So let's keep on this aside. Let's open my new Jackson. Just bought it in December. There he is, my Jackson, made in Japan. And this is the original low pro Jackson tremolo bridge. With the Samuel Duncan JB pickups on the bridge, and the TK1 STK1 humbucker on the neck and humbucker on the middle. Super jumbo fret with Floyd sharp pin inlays. There's the Jackson logo. Let us see what is. Oh, yeah, we have the serial number there. It's 98. It's made in 1998. It's made in Japan. Right, Jackson original tuner, and the bridge and the neck is a very smooth maple neck, and the rosewood fretboard. Right, quilted maple top, and an elder body. Right, the original pink claw. So we have this casing, original Jackson hard case. Okay, with the tremolo arm, and we have all the accessories. This is Jackson.